This mouse has a lot in common with its handler because it carries some human cells that allow it to be infected with dengue fever, just like people. These so-called humanized mice were injected with human stem cells from umbilical cords discarded after women gave birth at local hospitals. They are a crucial part of the dengue study being carried out by Rebecca Rico-Hesse and her colleagues here at the Southwest Foundation for Biomedical Research.
We have basically reconstituted the human immune system in these mice, and it's only because they have these immune system cells that they can get infected and show symptoms of dengue fever.
By infecting the mice with strains of the dengue virus, investigators can study how the disease takes hold and what factors might cause the more serious and often deadly dengue hemorrhagic fever. In people, the disease found in tropical and subtropical climates causes an uncomfortable rash, fever, headaches. The more serious cases will include bleeding under the skin, shock, and death. There's no treatment or cure. Rico-Hesse and her colleague Javier Mota just published a report showing how their study method can help lead to better treatments by identifying the specific viral strains that are most dangerous.
In this report, we present results of 8 different virus strains, and we show that the ones that have been associated with the more severe epidemics and the ones that cause hemorrhagic fever in patients are actually of a specific genetic variant.
Mosquitoes normally spread dengue. When they bite, they inject certain proteins into the skin, which does not happen when mice are artificially injected in the lab. So the scientists are breeding mosquitoes that will bite the mice and transmit the disease.
If you just, are injecting it in with a syringe, you're missing out on all those salivary gland factors and all the things that happen during a natural infection that might either speed up the infection rate or decrease the infection rate.
Rebecca Rico-Hesse has worked extensively among those stricken by dengue fever in Latin America.
I have had the opportunity to go to many of the countries and see the patients, even children, dying in the hospital. So it has given me a sense of urgency to work more.
Although effective vaccines or antiviral drugs for dengue may still be a long way off, researchers here say they are taking important steps that they hope will one day minimize the suffering caused by this illness. Greg Flakus, VOA News, San Antonio.